I get asked this question frequently, and that is there a way for me to delete a Gmail message that I sent to someone else, delete it in their inbox? And by default, the answer is no. However, there is a way for you to send a Gmail message using Gmail or Google Workspace so that you can restrict that message and even have the ability to delete it so the user can no longer see it. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. But before I do, if you like these videos, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you can get more, because I have a whole lot more content coming. And if this video is helpful for you, do me a favor, like this video and even comment on it and ask me any question. I promise you I will answer it. How do you send a message from Gmail and be able to delete that message? Let me show you. If I'm going to make this bigger so you can see it, I'm going to send a message to Teddy Burris at Yahoo. Teddy Burris, my Yahoo account. And I'm going to send it as a private information for your eyes only. Send him a message. There's a confidential message for him. Now, how do you send it so that you can delete it? You've got to change your messaging down here so you use confidential mode. When you use confidential mode, the recipient will not have the option to forward, copy, print, or download the message. You can set it up so that message expires in a day, a week, a month, 3 months, or 5 years. You can also set it up so that they have to get an SMS code from you for them to open that message up. So it's going to send a code to their cell phone, and you hit save. I'm not going to do that option right now. I'm just going to hit save. And now I'm going to send this message to Teddy Burris at my Yahoo. Boom. And by the way, there it is sitting right there. Okay? Now, let me show you something before I go look and see what the other person got. If I look at this message right here, I can see that it is a confidential message. If I hit the delete message, look what's going to happen. If I delete this confidential mode email, it will delete the email sent to the recipient. They will not have access to it any longer. I'm not going to do that right now. I want to show you what they get. So let's go see what they got. Here's the message that just got sent to them. And you can see it says a confidential email. I can click right here to look at it. I can also click right here to view the message. And boom, I'm viewing the message. Now you'll notice I cannot select that contact. I'm trying to select it. Typical click and highlight. Can't do it. There's no forward option on this message at all. I can view the message. I can't print it. There's no print. Under Chrome, Chrome, file print. Look at it. Printing is not allowed by the sender of this message. Can't print it. So all I can do is read it. Once I read it, close this out, and it stays right here in my inbox until I delete it. Or let's go have the sender delete it. I'm going to delete it. Remember, when you delete a confidential mode email, the recipient won't have access to it anymore. Now, I could wait a day for it to expire or just simply delete it. Now, look here. Go back. Here's that message got sent to them. I got to click down here to view it. Look what happens. Email not found. The sender might have deleted or revoked access to the email. The revoked access would have happened in a day, but because I deleted it, it happened immediately. You can send an email message from Gmail and Google Workspace using confidential mode, and when you do that, you can restrict the user from forwarding, copying, printing the message, and when you delete the message, it deletes it on their side. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.